everybody. So today is day 7 and it's actually 12 o'clock and I just ran into Freshie, which is behind me, to grab a salad. I didn't film this morning because it was early and I had to leave for school. I was trying to get ready. Oh, this hair. It's the bane of my existence, this little piece of hair. Anyways, I had 2 pieces of bacon this morning and a cup of coffee. I haven't really drank too much water, so I brought my water bottle. I need to fill that up. But I picked up 2 Cobb salads. Let's see if I can show you what they look like. Okay, I picked up a Recharge carrot cold pressed juice, carrot, apple, beet, lemon, ginger. And then I picked up 2 of these. I had to substitute the cheese and the corn and no dressing. There's bacon. I didn't think about that. I'll have to pick that off because I don't know if that is Whole30 compliant bacon. It might, because Freshie is like very ingredient conscious and people go to them when they're doing stuff like this. So there's red peppers, chicken, lettuce, tomato, an egg. Yeah. So that should be good. I got 2 of those, 1 for lunch, 1 for dinner. And hopefully that'll hold me over. So I'm gonna drink this juice, head back to school, and keep going. I'm gonna be in school all day and all night. Well, till 7 o'clock. I realized I have no food at home for tomorrow. So I am here at the grocery store in the beauty aisle because I can't come here and not look. But I gotta focus. Good morning. I'm not gonna show you because I just jumped out of the shower and I look crazy. But for breakfast, I'm going to have 2 or 3 pieces of this baked prosciutto. It's like bacon, but better. And prosciutto is much easier to find than sugar-free bacon. And it's cheaper. So I'm gonna eat these 3, save these, and then I made myself 2 eggs. Yum, yum, yum. Good breakfast. Is it a good breakfast? You wish. You wish you had it, huh? You wish.
So when it comes to what people would predict
is on the phone that I'll talk to after I'm going to eat. Yum, yum, yum. I just realized I haven't ended today's Whole30 vlog. I'm really tired and I'm ready to go to sleep. I've been very tired today, but that has been due to some womanly issues. And I don't have a big appetite today. For dinner we had the chicken thighs, sweet potato, and avocado. It was really, really good. Today I was with a friend, so I had my bigger breakfast, and then I had a Lara bar for lunch. So for dinner I was really hungry. And that's pretty much all I've eaten today. So today, like, cravings were low, energy level was like at around a 5, but I think that was due to like other circumstances. And then what else? Yeah, that was about it. It was good. But I'm feeling good. I'm feeling like Andrew and I both feel like this is a really, like, we feel healthy. We don't feel like it's bloated, all of that stuff. So I think we're on the right track. And week 1 has been awesome. So I'm gonna go to bed right now. Good night. Good morning, friends. It is 9:30. It was a late start today. I just got out of bed because I'm not feeling so great. I'm just making breakfast now, and then I am going to work. Like, I'm going to be working on video stuff and homework stuff and just lots of stuff. So I'm going to quickly show you my breakfast so I can get everything going. Voila, here is my breakfast. Just 2 eggs this morning, and I'll see if I can add maybe half an avocado or some sort of vegetable to this. But that's all I have. Okay, we are at home. I did some cleaning, washed the floors. They get so dirty with the winter. Cleaned the kitchen, and now he's at it again. What are we having for dinner?
Chicken soup.
Chicken soup. I wasn't feeling well today. It's really cold. Oh, there's nothing in the pot. It was a really cold day. And so it's Friday night, and Andrew's gonna make us some chicken soup. Whole30 with chicken thighs. Anything unique in there? No?
Not really.
Not really, just the usual. And I'm gonna try to just tidy up some more, doing laundry. I just love clean floors. And Walter had a adventurous day. We stayed at my mom's because I wasn't feeling well. Squishy faces. But I am getting hungry. My manservant just brought me these. I called you my manservant. He doesn't get it. I'm still not a big fan of carrot sticks. She's like grass. Sorry, I'm using my phone. I need to be using my camera. Ugh. Anyways, dinner's almost ready. I'm dying. Like literally dying. But it smells so good. You're the best. He says I am the best. I have like a big zit. Ooh, there. Ooh, my nails are so bad. I'm falling apart. He's bringing me food. I'm so hungry. It's almost 9 o'clock.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's all your fault. It's actually mine. I was going to cook the Asian chopped chicken salad again tonight, but I was like, nah. Where is the soup? Ooh, this looks good. Yum. That looks delicious. So excited. Thank you.
Probably help you feel better too.
Yeah.
Good?
This is like legit the best soup I've ever had. It's almost like it's creamy.
Yeah, that's with the arrowroot powder.
Oh, there's arrowroot powder in here.
Or